Unlock the power of recursion, real-world applications explained.
Are you ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of recursion?
In this video, we will explore the concept of recursion and its powerful applications in real-world scenarios. Whether you are a beginner looking to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced programmer seeking to sharpen your skills, this video is designed for you. What you will learn: definition and basics of recursion. Understand what recursion is and how it differs from iteration.
Also, common recursive patterns. Discover common recursive patterns such as the factorial, Fibonacci sequence, and binary search.
In real-world applications, learn how recursion is applied in various fields including data structures, explore how recursion simplifies operations in trees and graphs, and algorithms. Discover how powerful algorithms like quicksort and merge-sort use recursion efficiently.
In game development, see how recursion is used in game AI for decision-making processes.
Any pros and cons of recursion. Learn about the advantages of using recursion and the potential pitfalls, including performance issues and Stack Overflow. Why you should master recursion. Recursion is more than just a programming technique.
It is a fundamental concept that helps simplify complex problems. Mastering recursion can enhance your problem-solving skills, enabling you to write cleaner and more efficient code.
Keywords and tags. This video is packed with essential keywords to help you on your learning journey. Recursion, programming, algorithms, data structures, game development, quicksort, merge-sort, mathematical recursion, programming languages, coding techniques, tech tutorials, etc. And join our community. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Comment below with your thoughts on recursion or any questions you might have.
Let's unlock the power of recursion together and explore how this essential concept can enhance your programming skills.
Timestamps S0 Introduction 0145. What is recursion?
0530. Common recursive patterns. 10.012. Real-world applications. 1500. Pros and cons of recursion. 2012. Conclusion and next steps. And stay connected. Follow us for more tech tutorials and programming tips. Recursion, hack programming, algorithms, /coding, /data structures, /tech tutorials, game dev, /quicksort, /merge-sort, learn to code. Unlock the secrets of recursion today and revolutionize your programming approach. Hit that play button and let's get started.